Right, assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to the BONK update today. And BONK is really down. It's really boring. The investors of BONK are not feeling happy anymore, and I know that. I can understand it. So where exactly is BONK headed? Where are we gonna go for BONK? So right now, you might have a chance to grab BONK for cheap if BONK actually comes down here. Okay, I'm not going to go for a long update or anything, but this is it. This is where I may say that we probably might have a channel in the formation right now. Okay, so you have a push up which you try to break above, you came down, and this was your support, and then you push back up, you came down, that support, you push back up, resistance. And it makes sense. Only one thing makes sense, and this is the most simple thing. Again, beginner stuff. You're coming down, and the only place where you're looking for your next purchase is probably down at that support line, which is actually 1672, right? So previously you came from 4400 and then down to 1600, which makes it a very big discount, and you're going to see like this is your 62% move to the downside. So that's where I might actually make up for BONK and say that, hey, this is where BONK is really interested to go down to. So that's all for this quick update, and I'm going to see you the next one in the office.